Hey everybody, how you doing today? It's Dr. Russell Brokstein, your top-rated Freehold, New Jersey chiropractor. It's been a while since I did a Facebook Live video, so I wanted to get on board. I just had something on my mind after a patient asked me a question today, and it's a question I get asked over and over again. And being in practice 20 years, I just wanted to share this with you. So I'm going to wait a second before I get into the topic. So see if anyone else gets on board. So while people are coming on board, question I got today from a patient is, what stretch can I do when my sciatica starts acting up? And I get this question same over and over again. What stretch can I do when my neck starts hurting? What stretch can I do when my back starts hurting, my shoulder starts hurting? And all my patients that come into my office, part of the treatment plan is showing every patient around the third, fourth, fifth visits are a lot of different stretches, not only to help them get better, but to help prevent future problems and maintain. Prevention and maintenance is so important. And what happens a lot of times, and this particular patient, she always waits to come into the office when she's hurting. And she asked today, what stretch can I do to help when my sciatica acts up? And I asked her, I said, I showed you a lot of stretching when you first started coming into me. And she goes, well, I was feeling fine, so I stopped doing them. You don't want to stop doing the stretches just because you're feeling fine. It would almost be like, so many people go to the dentist, and dentists have educated the public that you don't wait till you have problems with your teeth, till they start rotting out, to start going to them, And if you do go to the dentist, there are many times you might not have pain at all. You go to the dentist and they can find a cavity. You're not going to tell that dentist, well, it doesn't hurt me, just leave it alone. You're going to say, take care of this before it gets severe. Take care of it before you have to pull the tooth out, okay? And, do other more invasive procedures. The other thing is, if the dentist does take care of you and says, hey, everything looks okay today, Mrs. Smith, or we're going to fix this cavity and you'll be fine, you're not going to go home and stop brushing your teeth or stop flossing. You are going to keep doing those things because you've been educated to do it to help prevent future problems and, prevent cavities from forming, prevent gum disease. Chiropractic is so similar. The concept is so easy, all right? When you don't take care of your spine, every day from the time that you're born, you're putting so much stress into your body, and all these different stresses accumulate, and it causes the spinal joints to misalign. They cause subluxations, and these subluxations decrease your health, okay? We want to optimize your health. And when we start helping patients out and we do the adjustments, we're helping to correct the underlying problem. And myself, I show my patients stretching. I call it spinal hygiene. Spinal hygiene is just as important, if not more, than your dental hygiene. Your teeth can be replaced. Your spine cannot be replaced. You're born with one spine. So why wouldn't you want to do everything you can to take care of it? And your spine protects the most important system in the body, your nervous system. Your nervous system controls every function of your body. It controls you. Right now, your hearts are beating without you thinking about it. Your brain is sending a message to your heart so it can beat. Your lungs are breathing. Your stomachs are digesting. Okay? I think you get the point. Well, if you come into a chiropractor like myself, and I show you a more proactive approach, it makes sense to do these things every day, like brushing your teeth and flossing, all right? Don't wait till the pain comes back and say, oh, what can I do to help the pain? Do things to prevent and maintain, okay? So we get you adjusted, we get things aligned. We show you the home stretching to get you feel better. All right. And these adjustments are getting your nervous system to function more optimally. Remove the interference so your body can be more healthy naturally. Okay, I hope this all makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you see how important this is such an important message for everybody to be more healthy. Share this message to everybody. And if you're looking for a chiropractor and you're not in the Freehold area, feel free to ask me. I respond to messages every day, to people. Just the other day, someone asked, do you know a good chiropractor in Houston? Yes, I know lots of good chiropractors throughout the country. I want everybody to be more healthy. And it's so important when I show my patients stretches. The stretches aren't just for the temporary aspect of it to get the patient better. It's to help prevent you from having future problems. And just like brushing your teeth, it's not a guarantee that you're not going to get cavities. You can still get a cavity if you're brushing and flossing, but you still go to the dentist every year, even if you don't feel anything. All right. So chiropractic helps so many people. Yes, it helps people, get the neck pain relief, back pain relief, but it's more about optimizing your health and, making people more healthy, not putting people on the medications, masking the symptoms, but finding the cause of your problem and correcting it. Keep doing your stretching to prevent future problems. Don't stop because you're feeling good. Every day you're putting stress in your body, and these stretches help reduce the stress and tension on the body that you're putting in every day. So before I go and leave and go treat my next patient, we're about to end our lunch break. There's a quote that I love. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So do everything you can to prevent future problems. Help maintain your health and your body. And anything you would like, any questions, feel free to ask. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Show a little love, like below, okay? And share with others, because this is so important. We got to transform our healthcare system, make it more about healthcare than our current system, which is sick care, okay? Have a great day. A gorgeous fall day outside. Leaves are starting to turn colors. Finally, it's the end of October. And, hope to see you on our next live video.